Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so today, ang gagawin nating reading ay ang new love reading at para ito sa lahat ng Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan. So, hello sa lahat ng Earth signs. Yes, I'm back sa Tagalog love reading after posting an English love reading to all my non-Filipino subscribers. Pero, balik tayo ngayon sa Tagalog love reading. At gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Earth signs na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Maraming salamat po. Sobrang appreciated ang inyong love and support. Sana patuloy niyo pong supportahan by liking this video and commenting below, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading after mo panoorin hanggang sa dulo. Okay. Oops. So, yes, bubunot ako ng 5 pairs. So, 5 cards from this deck and 5 cards from the other deck. And I will pair them up for this new love reading. And, ayun, sana pala sa lahat ng bagong nakasubaybay ngayon, if nagko-connect kayo sa akin, sa readings ko, nag-resonate siya, and if you like my readings, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing. It really helps the channel grow para marami pang magawang love readings para sa inyo. And I would like to invite everyone as well na i-follow ang aking IG. So it's Mystico Moreno. Yan, sa IG. Yan, I'll be posting some pools, card pools there sa mga pop-up events kung saan I'll be doing some readings. Okay? Okay. So, ayan. I would like to remind everyone, as I always do, na this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga nag-resonate, huwag nating pilitin. Ibig lang sabihin, hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. And best talaga na mag-book kayo ng personal private reading. Nasa description box lang naman yung email address ko. So, send lang kayo ng email. Magre-respond naman ako agad pag may inquiries ko with regards dun sa mga private readings na ginagawa ko. Okay. So, yeah, I'll get the 7th card dahil July 3 naman yan. Let's begin. First card. Second card. Third card. Fourth card. And last card. And pairing them up with this one. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung energy mo na masasagot ko sa collective. Alright, and yeah, I'll be pulling 2 cards from this deck as well, sa Oracle deck na to, as the final message or advice from the universe after you open yung 5 pairs na yan with regards to your new loved one. Okay, now we can start. Okay, so first pair for all earth signs. Oh, okay. Alright, so here, Ten of Wands, medyo similar yung energy from with fire signs na meron din silang Ten of Wands, if I remember it right. But yeah, kasi yung sa recent past ninyo, what I can see here is merong kayong minanifest. Okay? However, yung minanifest ninyo, hindi siya fully nangyari, nag-materialize. Okay? I think merong mga other outside energies na naka-apekto dun sa manifestation ninyo. And some more, nakikita ko rin dito na yung person ninyo kasi may ano siya, meron siyang energy. Okay? Ito parang past person to So meron siya kasing energy na ang nangyari is hindi siya yung minimanifest ninyo or yung dinedesire ninyo, hindi siya nangyayari about sa relationship to. Meron kayong gustong mangyari sa relationship na sa end ninyo, ginagawa nyo ng paraan. You're putting a lot of effort, talagang binibigyan mo to ng time para mangyari. Kaso, yung person from the past, it's an past person is not taking action or not taking initiative or hindi siya talaga proactive. Parang kailangan mo pang laging sabihin dito sa person na to na, uy, gawin mo to para maging ganito yung relationship natin. Or, for example, communication ng issue ninyo. Parang sinabi mo na, uy, gusto ko sana na we have proper communication, open, honest, okay? And ikaw, ginagawa mo yung part mo, pero yung isa parang, ano na naman tong pakulo mo or for him or her, parang drama na to. So, naging burden siya sa inyo, naging too much responsibility and obligation sa inyo na parang lagi na lang kayo nag-e-effort. And that's the reason why the past relationship didn't work well and it ended. But it's actually good thing. Why? Because a new person is about to enter your life na mag-feel ng gap or kung ano yung minamanifest ninyo, hindi siya nag-materialize dito sa past person, but I can feel the energy na it will be happening or yung whatever you're manifesting will materialize dito sa new person na to. Okay? So, that's why we're going to open the second pair. Oh, tama. Galing talaga. Sinabi ko na, di ba? Ayan. So, here, you will redeem yourself. Okay? Judgment card is a redemption. Kung ano man nga din yung mga parang minanifest mo tapos hindi nag-materialize, it's a good thing na hindi ka nawala ng pag-asa. You know why? Kasi parang I can sense here na parang tinest lang din ni universe how resilient are you, how determined are you also to make this thing happen. So hindi man siya nangyari dun sa past person, now there's a new person coming into your life, and with this new person, mariredeem mo kung ano man yung minanifest mo in the past or whatever you desired, yung mga relationship goals, mga activities, mga plans, mga hopes and expectations. Hindi mo man siya nakuha dun sa past person or hindi man nangyari sa past relationship. Now, it's your time to shine. And because, again, Judgment card has this energy of redemption and making the right decision. And yeah, it's saying lang din na good thing na tamang decision din na iniwan mo na tong past relationship because it opened doors for you to meet this new person, and this new person will make whatever, quote unquote, make your dreams come true, parang ganun. So yeah, with the Three of Coins card here paired with the Judgment, you can see here that there will be mas magkakaroon nga ng effort na hindi mas, parang yun, magkakaroon talaga ng effort kasi walang effort yung nakaraan mo, na yung past person mo, but this new person will put a lot of effort, will invest in the relationship. And kung dati, di ba, parang ikaw lang yung nagdadala ng relasyon, ikaw lang nag-effort, nagbubuhat, gumagawa ng lahat. Now, there will be a lot of collaboration with this new person. With the Three of Coins energy here, which is a card of collaboration or planning life together, ay together. Again, planning together. Alright? So, hindi ka na, parang hindi mo na ma-feel dito na parang, ay, ikaw na lang lahat. Ay, ikaw na lang gumagawa ng lahat. Ay, ikaw na lang palagi ang i-initiate or may proactiveness sa mga relationship goals. This time around, it will be a collaborative effort. You'll support each other, thus resulting to the growth of the relationship. So it's a good thing. It's a good sign. Then now let's see the third pair. Okay. Ayan. With the, again, mga coins so far. Sunod-sunod na coins. So that's it's something that you will see in actual. Medyo mga tangible things to. But here with the Four of Coins showing up here, I can see na merong, dahil may tendency ka lang, I think this is a warning then for you. Kasi may mga bagay than before na parang gusto mong mangyari dahil nga minamanifest mo siya. So parang mas nagkakaroon ka ng pagiging control freak-ish in a way na dahil rooted naman siya or anchored siya kasi dun sa this time around, gusto mo na mangyari yung mga minamanifest mo, yung minamaterials mo. Nabilaw ka na ako. Ayan. So, I think as in talagang may parang sumabit sa lalamunan ko. I think it's a sign to take a pause. I think, medyo mabilis din ako magsalita ng konti. So, I think it's the universe telling me to pause, and it's also a reminder for you to pause when it comes to that controlling behavior or trait na gusto mo dapat yung mga mangyari to, mangyari yan, na parang tinatry mo i-orchestrate lahat on your own. Again, collaborative effort. Mangyayari yung mga gusto mong i-manifest, mangyayari yung mga minamanifest mo at gusto mong materialize, not on your own lang. Okay? So, allow your person, this new person also to contribute, and wag lang maging masyadong controlling. Kasi here with the uh, Four of Coins energy, ayun, may pagkaganon eh. Yung masyadong rigid din na hindi, dapat ito kasi ito yung gusto kong mangyari sa relasyon. Avoid that. Okay? This is a warning. Avoid that. And dahil it will not help. Parang magiging block siya sa energy. Sa flow of energy between you and your person. Because here with the Six of Coins, it requires nga reciprocation. Okay? Six of Coins has this energy of generosity, reciprocation, meaning na yun nga, dahil collaborative effort siya, allow the person to reciprocate. Okay? Kaya din I think kaya din in the recent past nagkaroon ng ganitong issues because of this tendency na kaya parang you felt na naging burden sa'yo pero parang ikaw din kasi yung nagde-decide na gawin ng lahat. You didn't allow also the past person to do his or her part. So now with this new love, lesson learned, allow this person kasi this person is very willing to collaborate with you, very nagre-reciprocate itong tao na to regardless kung sabihin mo or not. Because I can see here that this person is a very proactive person. Kaya, ayun, don't block the energy flow. Don't, wag din yung mismong ikaw ang magde-delay or mag-block nung mga minimanifest mo. Alright? Okay, so fourth pair, ayan. Ace of Coins and Four of Cups. Okay, so yet this new love na darating sa buhay mo has a very good potential. This person will really invest, and once this new love came into your life, diba? And then you allow it to really do his thing, her thing sa relationship. May reciprocation, okay? May balance, may harmony between the two of you. It will lead to something really secure. Okay? Well, very positive yung potential nitong connection, nitong new connection. Kaso, again, may energy of discontent. Nakikita ko pa rin dito talaga yung tendency mo to do things your way, which is hindi naman talaga yun yung dapat na way. Okay? Again, the right way is a joint effort. Okay? Kasi the more na parang your way lagi, magiging parang nag-impose ka na ng mga gustong mangyari dahil na may gusto ka lang mag-materialize dun sa mini-manifest mo. So careful, again, this is just a reminder because here with the Four of Cups showing up here with this very good energy of investment and promising start ng relationship with this new person, may Four of Cups energy kasi, which is an energy of discontent na hindi mo pa nakikita yung mga actions. Hindi dahil nga para may tendency ka not to allow this person to do his or her part. So, dahil hindi mo siya nakikita agad, not necessarily na hindi siya mangyayari siya. Pero parang nagsiset ka ng sarili mong timeline. At dahil nagsiset ka ng sarili mong timeline tapos hindi nangyayari doon accordingly dahil hindi pa naman yun yung right time for it to happen, na i-stress ka. Okay? Kaya mas natitrigger pa yung pagiging controlling mo dahil yun nga, na parang, ay, ba't hindi siya nangyari dun sa timeline na gusto mangyari? When in fact, the universe wants you to just really enjoy the connection first. Lalo na this is new love. New love coming into your life. Enjoy it. Enjoy, relax, chill. Okay? Just allow the blessings to come into your life freely. Yung energy dapat free-flowing lang siya. And ayun, and then you will see. Everything will fall into place eventually. Okay? So last pair. See, another Judgment. And now paired with the King of Wands naman. Okay? Again, this relationship will redeem you from the past. Okay? And at the same time, I can see here now, after seeing the energies na nag-unfold, it's time for you to also redeem yourself from that kind of behavior. Yung mga triggers mo, it's time for you to make again the right decision to leave those controlling behavior behind. Okay? And yeah, I mean, the Judgment also twice lumabas sa dalawang decks. It's time for you to parang binigyan ka na ni universe din ng second chance when it comes to love. Okay? So this is another chance for you to do better as well. Okay? I mean, yeah, may pagkukulang din yung past person mo. But now, it's time, wala na siya sa picture. Now, you and this new person, this new love, it's time for you to do also what is right or necessary for the relationship to grow. Kasi here with the King of Wands, again, there's a lot of potential, but also with the King of Wands, King of Wands has this energy of relationship dynamics. It's very important. So, kung gusto mo ng maayos na relationship, dapat yung relationship dynamics ninyo okay, and that will only happen kapag both of you are really working together. And it's really just a give and take. Okay? Yung proper reciprocation will lead to good and relationship dynamics and growth sa relationship. Okay? So, yeah, sana nakatulong yung reading na to, and if nag-resonate sa inyo and you're in this situation, yeah, this is the advice for you. And let's close it with this oracle pair, Elegance and Magnificence. Diba? Elegance na, Magnificence pa. But here, it's just telling you really that this relationship, it's a message from the universe that, yeah, minsan, diba, when you have this magnificence and elegance, you don't need to really put too much effort on things kasi it's already there. Makikita, parang diba, pag elegante ka at you possess this magnificence in you, diba, parang hindi mo na kailangan todo effort. Dumating ka sa isang kwarto, everyone will look at you, everyone will admire you, and it's the same energy na gustong ni universe na gawin mo dito sa relationship, na tama na yung yes, may minimanifest ka na gusto mong mangyari sa relationship, but just hindi mo kailangan talaga na todo mag-effort to the point na nagiging controlling ka na dun sa mga situation sa relationship. So, there should be harmony, balance, and yeah, the elegance and magnificence na you only have to possess for you to be able to like walk into this relationship na with na taas ang noo, di ba? Kasi alam mo na ginawa mo yung tama at nagkaroon ka ng control on yourself but not on the relationship and the person you're with. Okay, so sana nakatulong tong reading na to. Again, always use my reading with discernment. And I'm just giving you guidance and insight, lalo na kung nasa situation kayo na ganito. Hawak nyo pa rin naman ang inyong kapalaran. You all have free will. So, yeah, kaya nyo yan. Go, go, go. This is still a good reading. Just may mga kailangan lang ayusin and everything will fall into place. Okay, so ako muli si Mystico Moreno and kita-kits na lang sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa akin channel. Alright? Kita-kits na lang muli next time. Yes, dito lang mismo. Ingat!